Hello students, a very good morning to all. Welcome to the TSN online classes. Today I am going to explain class 12, chapter number 12 and it's the second part of this chapter. Today topic is reduction. Firstly we are going to study reduction to alcohol. Aldehydes and the ketones are reduced to primary and the secondary alcohol respectively by the sodium bromohydride NaBH4 and lithium aluminium hydride as well as by the catalytic hydrogenation. When CO react with S2 and in the presence of the nickel catalyst, then the product is CS2O and cyclopentanone. When react with S2 and PT, then the cyclopentanol will be made. Acetophenone when react with NaBH4 and H plus ion, then the product is phenylethanol will be made. Benzaldehyde when combined with H2 and in the presence of platinum will be react, then the product is benzyl alcohol will be made. Now isobutyl aldehyde when react with lithium aluminium hydride, then isobutyl alcohol will be made. Now reduction to hydrocarbon. The carbonyl group of the aldehyde and ketone is reduced to CS2 group on treatment with the zinc amalgam and the concentrated hydrochloric acid. So the reduction or with the hydrogenation followed by the heating with sodium or potassium hydroxide in high boiling solvents such as the ethylene glycol. Wolff-Kishner reaction will be said it also. When CO react with NH2OH minus ion is Wolff-Kishner reaction is CS2 will be formed here, and CO when react with zinc, mercury and HCl, then CS2 will be formed. Now next is addition of the cyanide. Cyanide CO when react with Cn minus ion and H plus ion, then cyanohydrin will be made COHCN, and next NaCN when react with pentering with the presence of H plus ion, then the product is addition of the derivatives of the ammonia. Now addition of in this reaction we are seeing here, then hydrazine, hydroxylenine and the semi-carboxides will be formed here, and in the next slide we are seeing here phenylhydrazine and the hydroxyl amine when react each other, and oxime will be made cyclohexanone and semi-carbazide when react each other in the presence of H plus ion, then the product is a semi-carbazone, and pentanyl when react with the phenylhydrazine, then the product is alpha phenylhydrazone will be made. Addition of the alcohol. Now mechanism is the nucleophilic addition, acid is the catalyst. I will be explaining this reaction in the previous part. Now self-oxidation and reduction reaction is the Cannizzaro reaction. Aldehyde which do not have an alpha hydrogen atom undergoes the self-oxidation and the reduction is the disproportionation reactions on the heating with the concentration alkyl. In this reaction, one molecule of the aldehydes is reduced to alcohol while another is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Now formaldehyde is the most easily oxidized aldehyde when mixed with the another aldehydes that doesn't have any alpha hydrogen and the concentrate NaOH. All of the formaldehyde is oxidized and all the other aldehyde is reduced. Now the cross-Cannizzaro reaction. Cross-Cannizzaro reaction in vanillin when react with CS2O in the presence of the concentrate NaOH, then the product will be made here, addition of the Grignard reagent. When CO react with the RMgX, then the product is RCOMgBr. When RCOMgBr react with H2O, then the larger alcohol will be made and MgOH whole twice Br will be made. Synthesis of the alcohol used to build larger molecules from the smaller organic compounds. Then the formaldehyde when react with the RMgX, then the CS2OMgX intermediate will be made, and in the presence of the H plus ion, the 1 degree alcohol plus 1 carbon will be made here. RMgX will react with the other aldehydes, then the product is 2 degree alcohol will be made here. RMgX when react with ketone, then the 3 degree alcohol will be made here. When ethylene oxide when react with the RCS2CS2OMgX H plus ion, then the product is 1 degree alcohol and 2 cis will be made here. The planning of a Grignard synthesis of an alcohol. The alcohol carbon comes from the carbonyl compounds. The new carbon-carbon bond is to the alcohol carbon will be made. The new carbon-carbon bond structures are shown here. Now the carbonyl condensation reaction, the cross aldehyde reaction, the cross aldehydes are the synthetically useful in two different situations. First, when only one carbonyl components has hydrogen, such cross often leads to the formation of the only one product. Now the reaction are shown here. This can be the hydrogen or a hydrocarbon group. And aldehydes, all aldehydes have a hydrogen attached to the RCO group. Then these must both the hydrocarbon groups, for the example alkyl group. Now the next is the RCHO when react with the 2Cu2 plus ion and 5OH minus ion, then RCO minus ion, Cu2O and 3H2O will be made. 2Ag NH3 whole twice 2 when react with the RCHO and 3OH minus ion, then the product is 2Ag RCO minus and 4 NH3 plus 2H2O will be made here. Carboxylic acid is the common name. CS3CS2 whole twice 4CO2H is the carboric acid is L-carpargots. Now the then the next is the carbolic acid, the CS3CS2 whole twice 6 CO2H, and carboric acid CS3CS2 8 CO2H, and the uric acid oil of the liquids is the CS3CS2 whole twice 10 CO2H. Used in a common names alpha, beta, gamma and the sigma represent here is a bromovaleric acid, and the methyl butyric acid is the isovaleric acid. Now benzoic acid, the special name orthotoluic acid, metatoluic acid and the paratoluic acid. Now the IUPAC nomenclature of the carboxylic acid is the parent chain, longest continuous carbon chain. The contain the carbonyl group, the alkane drop EADS, and the oic acid. SCOH is the methanoic acid, CS3CO2H is the ethanoic acid, CS3CS2CS2H is the propanoic acid, CS3COOH is the 2-methyl propanoic acid, and CS3CS2CHBr CO2H is a 2-bromobutanoic acid. Dicarboxylic acid COOH and COOH is the oxalic acid. CS2CO2 is the malonic acid. Now CS2 CO2H is the succinic acid. Now CHO2 CS2 and CO2H is the glutaric acid. COH CS2 whole twice 4 COH is the adipic acid, and COH CS2 whole twice 5 COH is the pymalic acid. Or next is the fatalic acid and the isofatic acid and the terephthalic acids. Now malonic acid and the fumaric acid structures are shown here. Now salts of the carboxylic acid, names of the cation plus name of the acid drop, ic acid and the 8 CS3CO2Na is the sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate. CS3CS2CO2NH4 is the ammonium butyrate and the ammonium butanoate is CH3 CH2CO whole twice 2 Mg is magnesium propanoate is the magnesium propanoate. Also the physical property polar plus hydrogen bond will be present here is a reactively high melting at the boiling point and water insoluble. 4 carbons or less acidic turns blue litmus to red soluble in the 5% of the NaOH. RCO2H is a strong acid, NaOH is a strong base, RCO2 Na plus ion is a weaker base and H2O is a weaker acid. Now carboxylic acids are the insoluble in water but soluble in 5% of NaOH is the identification. Separation of the carboxylic acids are the basic neutral organic compounds. The carboxylic acid can be exchanged with aqueous NaOH and then regenerated by the addition of the strong acid. Now oxidation of 1% alcohol when 1 butanol react with CrO3 then the product is butyric acid or butanoic acid. 2-methyl 1-propanol when react with KMnO4 then the product is 2-methyl propanoic acid. Now oxidation of the arenes when toluene react with the KMnO4 then the benzoic acid will be made. Paraxylene when react in the presence of the KMnO4 and will be heat then the terephthalic acid will be made. Now at ethyl benzene when react in the presence of the KMnO4 and heat the benzoic acid will be made and the carbon dioxide will be also made. Now the carbonization of the Grignard reagents is increase in the carbon chain by the 1 carbon. Now hydrolysis of the nitrates nitrile when RCN react with H2 and H plus ion then RCO2H will be made. Adds are more carbon to the chain the RX must be the 1% or CH3. Now the next reactions are here. Carboxylic acids reaction as acids the conversion into the functional derivatives acid chlorides ester and the amides reduction alpha hydrogen and ES as acid with the active metals RCO2H when react in the presence of the sodium RCO2Na plus H2 gas will be made with the base RCO2H and NaOH then RCO2Na plus ion and H2O will be made. Reactive acid strength are shown here. CH4 is less reactive than NH3. NH3 is the less reactive is CH double bond CH and it's less reactive of ROH. ROH is the less reactive in the comparative of the HOH. HOH is the less reactive as to CO3 and H2CO3 is less comparatively react RCO2H and RCO2H is less reactive than the comparatively HF. Now the quantities HA and H2O, H3O plus ion and A plus ion as an ionization in water. Now Ka for the carboxylic acid, where the carboxylic acid is more acidic than alcohol is an important question. The position of the equilibrium is determined by the free energy chain, the del G. K is inversely related to the del H, the potential energy difference between the acid and the conjugate base. The smaller than the del H, the larger, and the K is the strongest. The acid effect of the substitution group of the acid strength of the benzonic acid, the electron withdrawing groups will stabilize the anions, decrease the del H shift by the ionization of the right, increase the Ka, increasing the acid strength. Now electron donating groups will destabilize the anion, increase the del H shift by the ionization in water to the left, decreasing Ka, the decreasing acid strength. Effect of the substitution group of the acid strength of the benzonic acid, the electron withdrawing group. Now the next, the electron donating and electron withdrawing groups are shown here. The electron donating group are NH2, NHR, NH2, OH, OR, NHCO, CH3, C6H5 and R. Electron withdrawing are X, CHO, COR, SO3H, COOH, COOR, CN, Ns, R3 plus ion and NO2 H are included in both types. Thank you very much, students.